So in this video, you'll learn how to hide your birthday on Telegram. So if you added a date of birth to your Telegram account and you don't want anybody to see it, or you want only selected people to see it, this is what you need to do. Start by opening the Telegram app, and then you want to navigate to the settings menu. In the settings menu, look for privacy and security and select it. Then from here, you want to look for date of birth underneath the section privacy. Once you found it, select it. So by default, it's set to everybody, which is why anybody who looks at your Telegram profile can be able to tell your date of birth. To hide it, you have two options. You can choose to select it to my contacts, and then from here, only specific people who have been added to your Telegram phone book will be able to see your date of birth. So if you want to hide it completely, then just select nobody, and this means that nobody will be able to glance at your birthday. You can choose to add exceptions, so you can choose to tap on add users, and you can add exceptions to people who can be able to see your birthday. And then once you've done that, simply remember to tap on this check mark in the top right corner to save and apply the changes. And so now whenever someone glances at your profile, they'll no longer be able to see your birthday. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.